Hey, hi guys, this is Arpita Tulsyan here. I hope you all are doing good. So this video is relevant for every such student who is first of all giving their examinations in the upcoming May 25 exams. Yes, and secondly, if you are falling short of time. Yes, so here I am to help you with the subject IDT, how you can maybe try to balance out your schedule and you can try to maximize your efforts in the minimum time. So if I specifically talk about IDT for other subjects, I'm definitely sure you would have dealt in a specific manner. If not, you can use this methodology. Yes. So now if you are planning to start IDT or IDT got pushed because of other subjects or something like that, ma'am, how do we do the revision or how do we manage in a limited time, or please guide us regarding the same. So yes, just invest your 10 minutes and you will be thorough as to how you are supposed to go about the subject. So now if you're planning to start the revision, okay, definitely this is the time for starting the revision only, not the first time studies for, especially for May exams. So first thing that you need to do is you need to understand the content. Okay, you need to revise the entire content once. Okay, after revising the content, you would want to do the question bank. Okay, third thing is, ma'am, then again we will need revision because as and when we go ahead, we keep on forgetting what we did earlier, right? And the last thing is, ma'am, how do we deal with the amendments? Okay, so let's do one by one. So now when we talk about the chapters, okay, when we talk about the content, when we talk about the chapters, let's divide it in big chapters and small chapters. Okay, big chapters like ITC is there and other chapters are there. Small chapters like procedural chapters, e-way bill, accounts record, such type of chapters are there, or basic chapters are there, which ma'am, which we always revise it initially, so that is fit in our mind, like supply, levy, and all those chapters. Yes, so if we divide the chapters into big chapters and small chapters, what you can do is, see, for small chapters, this is our mentality. Okay, that ma'am, less number of pages are there, so it gets completed very fast. Okay, so no problem. For small chapters, you can do self. Okay, you can do the reading from your on your own from the textbook, etc., and it will be manageable. For big chapters, what you can do is you can refer to the revision videos. Okay, if you refer to the revision videos, what will happen is you will start recollecting things, right? Because if you listen to that particular content, you will be like, yes, I've studied somewhere before, etc., and it will then become a little faster. Okay, if you're comfortable with the revision video, you can continue with the revision video and then you can just read it once from your textbook so that things get refreshed. Okay, and for small chapters, the two options: if you feel that you can complete the chapter on your own very quickly, well and good. If no, you already have the revision video for each and every chapter available on YouTube. Yes, so this is how you can manage the content. Okay, this is how maybe in a day you can take up whatever number of days you have planned. You can take up maybe one big chapter, one small chapter, or maybe one big chapter, two small chapters, whatever number of days fit. Okay, that can be done here. Now ma'am, what about the question bank? How do we do the practice of question bank? So see, first of all, doing few answers ka writing practice is mandatory. Okay, please try, make it a habit that maybe before going to sleep, at least try to write one answer. Okay, that will not only help you for IDT, that will help you for DT also, that will help you for audit also, for group 1 if it is left for you, and it will help for every other theory subject. Okay, because you will come to know, okay, what are you thinking, what are you going to present, how are you going to present, all those things will come out. Okay, so at least one question, one answer per chapter you can do. That is not bad, right? So question bank, you can refer to the question bank. In our question bank, we have got the question answers. Okay, question is given, answer is given. You can do the important questions, the latestly asked questions, or I have marked some must do questions in the question bank. You can do those, right? Maybe one liner questions or direct questions you can skip at this particular moment and you can go to the case study based question so as to save on some time. Okay, if you feel that no ma'am, there are too many number of questions, we are not able to manage it, maybe if required and if time permits, you can go with the question bank batch. Okay, I already have a question bank batch where we are going to discuss the question answers. You can use that, right? If you are able to do it on self, best. If you're not able to do it by your own self, then you can go with this question bank batch, right? Similarly, once you are done with these chapters as well as the question bank, your at least one time content is done. Okay, now it's like, okay, now I remember whatever I had studied earlier. Now I am able to remember everything. Now, ma'am, what about the revision? So for revision, I have already put a 10 days planner. Okay, I've already put this 10 days planner on YouTube. I'll put the link of that video also. In that I have prepared, okay, in that I've prepared that in a particular day which all chapters you can do. Okay, besides that I have put the YouTube revision video duration also, that this much time will be required for so and so chapter. Okay, please use that sheet. It will be very, very helpful for you. Okay, if you have more number of days with you, you can spread it. If you have less number of days, then you will have to do more in a number in a particular day, right? So revision videos are going to come to your rescue when it comes to revision. Trust me, it has helped so many students in the past also, and it is definitely going to help you also, right? And now, ma'am, lastly, how do we deal with the amendments? So for amendments also, I have put the amendment video. Okay, I have put the amendment video, I have put the amendment notes also. Everything is readily available with you. Please see, there are it's not that there is a big drastic change that is happening in your IDT syllabus. No, but there are many circulars, notifications, clarifications that have been added. Okay, and we know that we get questions from the amendment, so we have to do it compulsorily. Okay, compulsorily we have to do this amendment video. Okay, even if you do it once with me in the lecture, it will somewhere get fit in your mind, trust me. Okay, and by this way, okay, by doing a mix and match, by doing a optimal mix and match of your own self study as well as the revision videos, etc., you can somehow manage the time and get your schedule back on track. Okay, so this is how you can save on your time and make best possible use of your time. Yes, if you have any queries, do get back to me, do message me. I will be happy to help you. And for all the revision videos, question bank batch, etc., I will be putting the link. Okay, I will be putting the link in the description of this particular video. Just check out that amendment videos also, revision videos also, everything you can just check in the description one, so that it becomes very, very simple. Yes. Okay. So I wish you all the very best for your preparation and for your examinations. Stay positive. Yes. And since you have put so much of efforts till now, okay, just last few days, last few months of efforts is required. Don't leave anything. Okay. Don't leave anything. Like put whatever efforts you can be. It should be like, I have done my best. This is the maximum I can do. Okay, just push yourself to that, and yes, do make me proud. Thank you so much.